Mark, an estranged relative of Jennifer Hudson's family is due in bond court in just 3 hours.
He's charged in the murders of Hudson's mother, brother, and nephew. Aunt Kavanaugh here with why police are so sure that they got the right guy.
Good morning, Patrick. We could learn more about the evidence that police actually have in this case when William Balfour does appear in bond court at noon. Police right now say that Balfour acted alone and that the triple homicide was motivated by a dispute that he had with his estranged wife, Julia, Jennifer Hudson's sister.
Whenever you go to trial, it is somewhat a roll of the dice, but I am confident that the evidence that's been collected, the testimony that's been secured is strong.
So far, no public comment from Jennifer Hudson's family, but police say they are relieved the charges have now been filed. Police are calling this a domestic case, but aren't revealing specifics about what they think set Balfour off. He was picked up the night of the murders and has been held in prison on a parole violation. He's charged with the murders of Hudson's mother, Darnell Donnerson, her brother Jason, and nephew, 7-year-old Julian King, and home invasion. Balfour's mother claims a jealous ex-girlfriend is railroading her son to try to get a drug charge reduced, but police say there is no deal.
Well, we'd rather not be specific as to what part she played in the investigation, although she was cooperative in the investigation.
Balfour has been talking to police about the case, but has not confessed. Right now, they won't reveal whether they have any physical evidence, like a fingerprint or DNA, linking him to the murders. Even if prosecutors do just have circumstantial evidence, they can still get a conviction, but it's harder. And that may be why it took so long for Balfour to be charged.
In this case, we've got several pieces of circumstantial evidence that do put the defendant at the scene. The murder weapon is connected to the actual murders. The question is going to become, what kind of evidence do they have that's going to connect the murder weapon to Mr. Balfour?
Now, prosecutors may already have results in from DNA testing, but it's not a sure thing that we'll hear about it today. They are not required to reveal all their cards at this afternoon's hearing. Corey?
All right, thank you very much. Well, of course, the big story is money. It always is this morning.